Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on using templates to speed up the design of your SMS marketing campaigns. So templates are used generally when you're sending out a similar message weekly or monthly and you just need a little bit of tweaking to the message for a different offer. So it can save you a little bit of time. So I'll show you how to do it now. So this is the send SMS screen. You send your to whoever you wish to send to, the sender name, and then the SMS content. So if this is content that you would be using frequently or just need to tweak, you click this button here and it saves it to the templates. Now you can build up a number of templates over time, so you can change them to different names. So I have one in here called weekly offer. So what I can do then is when I'm sending out a SMS campaign, I choose the people I wish to send it to. I choose the sender name, but now I can choose the template, weekly offer. That pre-populates the SMS content field, and you can then tweak that to your SMS campaign and send it out in seconds. That's how you use templates, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at any time. Thank you.